Welcome to Tallo. Today we're going to show you some things that you can do within the settings for your Tallo profile. There's two ways you can navigate to these settings. One is by selecting Edit Settings, or in the upper right corner next to your initials, selecting the drop-down arrow. We have Account Settings, Resources, Support and Feedback, or Log Out. Let's take a look at Account Settings. Here is where you can update or change your photo for your Tallo profile. If you need to make any name changes. The Email tab. Now, the email visibility is important. Who can see this email address on your profile and throughout Tallo? You can see by default, it says only visible to me. However, if you'd like to change that, you can select visible to colleges and corporate recruiters. If you do make a change, be sure to select Save. On the Phone tab, you can add your phone number, and again, we have phone number visibility. Who can see this phone number on your profile and throughout Tallo? Again, you can have only visible to me or visible to colleges and corporate recruiters. And again, if you make any changes, select Save. The Notifications tab. Here's where you can update your preferences for how you'd like to receive various notifications from Tallo. And the last tab is Security, if you'd like to change your password or if you want to delete your Tallo account. And again, any changes that you make within this area, be sure to select Save. Let's take a look at Resources. This will open up a new tab for Tallo Help Center. Here's where you can ask a question such as, how do I add a bio? It will populate the best answer to your question. Additionally, by scrolling down, you can see that we've included some popular articles, as well as the ability to browse by categories. Moving back to our Tallo profile, let's take a look at Support and Feedback. When selected, you will get a Contact Us pop-up window. You'll select the reason for contacting from the drop-down menu, and then add your message, and then select Submit. And lastly, if you'd like to log out of your Tallo profile, simply select the Log Out button. Thanks so much and enjoy your journey on Tallo.